I am back. I have got my coffee, and we're good to go for a couple more hours. Please, give me some fuel. What tickers should I look at? I'm going for 5.5 hours now. I did have a list when I started, but I think we got through the whole thing. Is this a SPAC? Are people really still playing SPACs? $382% in one day. Let's break this down a little more. What the Guys, be super careful with this. I am not condoning this by having it on the screen. I'm just acknowledging its existence. What does this SPAC man says? Okay. Learn with me, chat. I know what a SPAC is. They were really popular in Q1 of this year. But you guys might not. So, here's your Investopedia definition. Don't take my word for it. And also, don't make me read it. the timing is uncoincidental. You always hear me say, oh, the IPO game is dead, blah, 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 blah. It kind of feels like the SPAC game has, like, replaced the IPO game in a little bit of a way. How do you guys feel about that thought? Because simultaneously, you know, right around the time Spotify was IPOing. That's kind of like when IPOs really started to come out the gate in the multi-billions and only one direction to go. But simultaneously, again, in Q1 of this year, SPACs were quite popular, which is what we're looking at here. It's basically a blank check. You're giving someone money, and then in return, they're promising that they're going to go out and acquire a business that they don't already have. And this has worked out for a couple SPACs, but not a lot of them. Are you guys enjoying looking at the tiny candles for a change? They're maybe a little more exciting, I guess, than what we usually do. Not my style. We make content for people of all skill levels. Recognize your skill level and play within its bounds. This is not my style, so I wouldn't be anywhere near it. But it's a thing that's happening right now. And it was recommended to me by being in one of the top recommended here on TradingView. Weird. Number one in London, baby. We're global. We're really global at this point.